So behind me we have my BMW E46 M3, a very, very dirty E46 M3 which needs some much love and attention. Talking rust, mechanical work, and also a deep detail which we've got Joe in the background about to do. Just wanted to show you the car and go through the process of having it fully detailed. But the car itself, it's probably my favorite car. You've got the G80 M3, but this is the baby. This is the one I want sound. This is the one I like taking out and actually gets the most looks. A lot of people appreciate this car, especially the older generation. As you know, it's a 21-year-old car now, being a 2002 or 22 years old, Jesus. So on the E46 we swapped out the original diamond cut alloys for these CS style rims. It's like a square setup kind of thing. At the back we've got a rear concave, and at the front it flattens itself out. Joe's absolutely going to town on these wheels because they are filthy. As I said, from when I've had these wheels on for about a year now, they've not been properly cleaned. They've only been a botch job from myself, but this car's going to be looking mint after. Whilst Joe's going around the car, I think we'd give a quick walk around and go through all the features and why I bought this car. So as I said, I've had this car for around a year now. I bought it because I was looking for something raw. I love the BMW brand. I like the M cars. As you know, I've got the G80 also, so I thought this was probably the pinnacle of the bunch. I know a lot of people have said this. They said the chassis is perfect, especially combined with the manual and the coupe. This is definitely the one to go for. So let's go around it and let's see why I've gone for what I've gone for. So under the hood, we've got a 3.2 litre inline 6-cylinder engine, pushing out 343 horsepower from the factory. But I don't know, as I said, 22 years later, God knows what it's putting out, probably 40 horsepower. Under the hood, we've got a fully serviced S54 motor. This engine sounds nuts. It's got a raspberry sound to it. When we do the driving video, you'll definitely hear that. We'll get some mics put on the car so you can hear and feel what I'm feeling when driving this thing. The engine's really good. As I said, the chassis is stable. You've got the strut brace here, standard from BMW, and that combined with the manual gearbox, you just can't beat it. I'm thinking of putting the Venturi or the CSL airbox on there just to get that extra feeling, the sound from the car, get that nice suction noise, nice raspberry with the carbon. Other than that, I think I'm going to literally leave this car completely stock. As I said, I just want it OEM plus. At the moment, you'll notice it is sitting quite low. We've got gas gold coilovers on there. The front suspension went, so I thought, you know what, let's just put the coilovers. The road, it's probably one of the best things. I took it down to Goodwood Festival of Speed on the weekend, and my boys who I went with said this sits crazy on the road. Blind properly, geoed the lot. This car drives like it's on rails. It's so fun to slide as well. We get some videos of that also. I think Joe's got a bit of a wheel fetish because the way these things come out. What's the secret?
Just attention to detail.
Attention to detail, yeah. Caressing it. Yeah, as you can see, they're gleaming. We'll go around to this one and see how dirty it is before it even starts on it.
So just get a
pre-wash.
Most of the dirt. And this wheel cleaner is just amazing.
The one.
Incinerate, even does the tyres. Strips off all the old tyre shine.
Smells lovely.
It's right down your throat.
Pretty clean example. The seats were in good condition. There's a bit of wear, of course, stuff like this, but nothing we can't get out with a bit of leather restorer, or maybe even switching to new seats, but let's see. It's pretty beat up here though. That's probably the worst part of it, but as you can expect, in and out, wearing jeans, buttons, destroys it. But here's the holy grail of the car. We've got the 6-speed manual gearbox. I recently renewed the gear shifter because this was absolutely destroyed. There's a common problem where the rear view mirror leaks and the liquid just destroys this and literally gets rid of all the numbers. But cassette player in there. I've fitted some Bluetooth thing to the CD changer so I can listen to my own music. The aircon is absolutely diabolical. I haven't had it regassed, but it probably needs regassing once a year, probably a leak or something. But when it works, it works. When it don't, it don't. But I think it adds to the feel of the car. Some cup holders in. I actually took out the own old phone holder. It used to have some sort of phone device there. That's how old this car is. And you've got the coin holder here as well, which is a pretty cool feature. The rear of the car has pretty much never been sat in. The leather is not like the front at all. Completely immaculate, but definitely dying for a clean. And we just need to tidy some stuff up, like this trim hanging off here. Just need some glue to get that back to normal, and stuff like this. The trim here needs restoring. Not sure what to do. I've been told to take this off and dip dye it, but I'm just trying to find somebody who's got an original set which I can swap this out for. But original M3 mats that look a bit grubby, but again, Joe's the man for that. But other than that, car's bang on. Completely different experience to the G80. Got the suede roof as well, which I love. Even got the rear sunblind also. Let's see if that works. I know the thing's off, need the ignition on, but you've got the rear sunblind also, and engine just sounds crazy. I can't wait to take you guys on a POV driving video of this, and you guys can experience what I experience on a summer drive, especially on a Sunday. Got a bug remover going on, loosen off all them bugs. I'm hitting 150 on the A12.
It's just loosening it all.
The mirror's done as well.
Alright, we've got a hefty one there, look at that.
Yeah, big splat. Joe's got all the tools. Free bucket method, fresh water. Now we have the most satisfying, the creme de la creme of detailing, the snow foam. I'll tell you what, I'd love this car in an Alpine white, and this is the closest thing I'm getting to it. But right now, we're getting attacked by foam. Let's go and see how Joey boy's getting on. Car's looking fresh. The wheels 10 times better than the before. Crazy. Sorry about that, guys. The camera has died, so we're down to iPhone. But this 15 Pro, the quality is stupid. Joe has completely finished the car. A light detail, all transformed. We're going to do some of the other bits on the car at a later date, like the rear lights and stuff like that. And obviously there's nothing we can do about the rust, which is getting done soon. But as you can see, the rear lights could do with either replacing or a wet sand. But yeah, we'll get that done. But the car is looking fresh. Not being biased or anything, but I think the E46 is the best shape out of all the M cars. As you guys know, I've got the G80 as well, but this is just special to drive, this one, especially with these CS wheels, and it just doesn't get boring. Literally does not get boring. It's just so clean. The wheels, spotless. Exhaust we need to go around. We're going to do some, what we're going to do, we're going to do some metal polish with some wire wool just to get that a bit more cleaner than it already is. But yeah, big shout out to Joe for the valet. Really happy with it. So E46 done. What have we done to the car, Joe? So
we've given it a safe wash.
Yep.
To the exterior, focusing all the attention to the wheels. We've also done the fuel cap, because no one likes to fill up their car and see a dirty fuel cap.
Spotless.
We have also done the inside. We've given it a light detail inside.
A lot better than what it was.
A lot better. A few things we can do. We can steam the air vents,
yep.
Steam around all the buttons. We can deep clean the steering wheel because that is quite shiny, and we want that matte like that. That's factory fresh, that. Just giving the car a bit of TLC. We're gonna do the rear lights. We're gonna wet sand these lights later date.
Yeah, we'll do a whole separate video on that.
Yeah. That's to come.
And then the wheels, you went to town.
I went to town on the wheels. Like, you can literally see how clean the wheels have come up.
That's mental.
Literally, they are immaculate. All ready now to sit back in the garage.
I'm scared to drive it.
Yeah, I know. I would be as well.
But yeah, no, thanks for that. So where can people find you then?
You can find me on Instagram.
Yep.
TikTok, Facebook.
It's all behind you. Look, it's all perfect layout.
It's all on the van.
Yeah.
Domestic cleaning. We do driveway cleaning.
Yep.
Gutter unblocking. Patio cleaning. Anything cleaning. I love cleaning.
There you go. Proof's in the pudding. And make sure you follow the Wheel Bias Instagram page, and thanks for the love so far. The last video we smashed the 250 view target, and we got, I think it's on 850 views at the time of recording this. Very much guys for that. I think we're on 20 subscribers now as well, which is good after the first video. On my old channel I had like 2,500, so we're slowly getting there bit by bit. But yeah, make sure you like, leave a comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching the video.